Hello friends, my name is Gopal and today I am going to show you how to generate high quality mortgage loan leads for your loan business. We at Finmate Technologies provide you with a platform to mine customer. So let's see the process with which we generate high quality loan leads. So let's first see the changing business scenarios in our industry. Everybody who is into loan business or even if they are new into this business, they all know that there are effectively four ways of lead generation. One, through cold calling. Second, through references. Third, through connector. And the fourth one is through lead purchase. So our entire loan industry is based on these four pillars. But as you know, the business scenario is changing very fast. Cold calling, SMS marketing are not very effective nowadays. Everybody knows that. Your telecaller keeps on calling every day for 100, 200 numbers, but the resultant is almost zero, right? She or he is hardly able to make her salary justified. Similarly, if you talk of connector, then connector are there in the market. Bigger DSAs have connector with them. They pay connector higher payout as compared to the bank and thereby rope in business. But we also need to understand that connectors, they will go to some place where they will be getting a higher payout amount, right? The third is lead purchase. So when you go on to purchase lead from any source, you must know that these leads are not exclusive leads. These leads are getting shared with at least 5, 6 different people, thereby reducing the efficacy of the lead. Fourth one is references, which is a very strong model of doing business. But the thing is that we don't get reference every day. We need to do business every day, but we don't get reference every day, right? So therefore we need to check out for alternatives of doing business. We need to search for avenues. A good businessman is one who knows how to generate avenue for his or her business. Now there are a lot of new regulations which has come off lately. For example, in telecom sector, you must have heard about TRAI guidelines, which requires you to obtain a DLT registration number, right? There are strict laws and regulations pertaining to your what to say SMS marketing. You need to get it promotional SMS as well as transactional SMS. You need to approve those SMS from the authority, right? Apart from that, there are other rules and regulations too. So this has made us difficult to do business through cold calling and SMS marketing. But if you will see on the contrary, there are a lot of new DSAs which has come up with new ideas, and they are not traditionally very old DSA. Like there are a lot of very old DSA, you must have heard about them in the market. But there are new age DSAs which has come and they are taking the market by their stride. They are coming up with new age technologies. They are coming up with AI, blockchain and all these technologies. And this is the future for the loan business. If we will not transform ourselves digitally, I think that we will be out of business in some times from now. So we need to keep on thinking, because as we say, what we what if we do what we did, we will get what we got. So therefore we need to change our lookout for our business. Now if loan business is our bread and butter, we need to look out and search for avenues of generation of more and more customer. Now we as Finmate are the apt company to choose from. Why? Because we provide you a ready to made solution for generation of loan leads. See, as Zig Ziglar says, a business out of prospect is a dead business. That means, let's say you are coming to your office one day and you don't know whom to talk to. That means that business, that day is a dead day for you. So similarly, we need to understand that if we don't have customer for our business, then how will we run our business? So we need a steady and continuous supply of customer for our business. So how does Finmate come into picture here? So if you say the sales cycle, in sales cycle there is suspect, the suspect become your prospect and your prospect become your client. Now who is a suspect? If you don't know who's a suspect, you are just giving a cold call to a person whom you don't know. He is your suspect. It's just like a policeman. He go and start, asking and gleaning information from all those people who are living in the area if there is a theft has occurred, right? So they are all suspect. Okay, now the suspect become prospect. But in FinMate, we take out this suspect part. That means you will approach not the suspect but directly the prospect. Now our entire day is lost in order to find one suitable prospect. But if let's say if you are supplied with 10 prospects every day, then obviously the chances of your closer is very, very high. The chances of making a new client is very, very high. So we provide not only how to get this customer to your company, but also we provide you a platform to manage this customer and to track your business online as well. So we provide a ready to made CRM solution wherein you can manage your telecaller, your partner, your customers, everyone, right? And last but not the least, the lead that we generate, we don't share it with anyone. Exclusive leads means exclusive leads. These all leads are exclusive for you. So how do we generate these leads, right? So let's see that every business, whether it is a big or a small business, they are digitally transforming themselves, right? All the business. In fact, just 2, 3 years back, you might be having a traditional TV at home, maybe a LCD or a LED, but right now you are having smart TV at home. So you don't want to watch traditional channel. Now you are watching YouTube, you are watching OTT platform, all this. So why? Because you are also digitally transforming yourself. Even banks are also doing themselves. If you'll see, banks are now very, very proactive in approaching the customer. The customer basically they approach the customer through through digital way only, digital marketing. You will receive a lot of advertisement and all this thing in your mobile phone, in your television, okay, in the website that you visit. So why are they doing it? They are doing it because they know that most of the time nowadays people spend their time mostly on digital medium only. You spend your time in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. So they know that if somebody is spending that much of time in those platform, why to not advertise the product in those platforms? So therefore the platform like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Insta, Taboola, Bing, they are all providing you digital inquiries. Right now basically we in FinMate don't trust other channel because the quality of lead which we have tried all the channels, but we have found that the best quality leads comes from search engine marketing and Facebook. But out of Facebook and Google also, Google leads are kind of pull leads wherein the customer themselves are searching and coming out. So therefore Google leads, the closer percentage of Google leads are very, very high. We advertise on your behalf either in common platform or in exclusive platform. Now what is a common platform and what is an exclusive platform? Now let's say if you want to generate leads, you are approaching us and you say that we want only leads, then we provide you leads, but in that case we provide you a platform for 1 year. We give you that platform, the leads will get delivered into that platform and all these leads will be exclusive leads. All those, and what we will do, we will be running a advertisement on your behalf, okay, in Google AdWord campaign or Facebook. And when people are going and search for any loans, let's say home loans, cheapest home loan kind of thing, then in that case if the name of the company is shown there, then he will click on that, he will come to our landing page and leave his name and number there, right? This is how a lead is captured in a common platform. In exclusive platform, two leads are generated like that only. But in exclusive platform, we build the entire system for you and give it to you. In common platform, the leads are generated in our website. In exclusive platform, the leads are generated in your landing page in your website, right? We don't tend to ask a lot of questions to the customer. Our questions are 5 or 6. For example, how much loan amount do you require? Where do you stay? What is your income, right? And your mobile number, your email ID, your name, right? So these are few of the questions that have been asked. And once he applies for all this, we take him to a page wherein he can check his eligibility, and the simultaneously his name and number gets captured in the CRM and it will come to you in the form of a lead. Now let's understand how do people search. Now let's say if you want to search for a personal loan, what do? You simply go to Google and you say, okay Google, I want a personal loan. Or similarly, you can simply go to your Android phone or iOS and you just simply type cheapest personal loan. Okay, the moment you type that, then Google will throw few information in front of you. And if you will carefully see this information, the top four or three names will be AD ad written in the corner of it. So AD ad means these are the name of the companies which are currently doing the advertisement. If you click on this, you will get landed into Clicks Capital. If you click on this, you will go to Axis Personal Loan page, and there they will ask you a few questions and they will capture your name and number there. So the moment you click here, right? So some money from your account will get deducted. Therefore, this method is called as pay-per-click method. So now, what is the difference between FinMate versus other lead aggregator, right? So let's see, in FinMate, we generate leads on your behalf. That means we are lead generator. Whereas if you are purchasing leads from a lead aggregator, they are selling you the leads, right? So you are not generating for your business, you are buying those leads. Here we are generating. The leads that are generated in FinMate are exclusive leads that will not get shared with anyone. The leads that are generated or the leads that you purchase from lead aggregator are shared with 5 to 8 different people. So you don't get exclusive leads. Leads generated through InFinMate are either through Google or by Facebook. In fact, some lead aggregator who are generating leads, they also do Google, Facebook, other kind of digital and social media marketing, banner ad and all this ad. But most of them also do cold calling, and whatever leads are generated, they provide it to you. Right? Leads that are generated in FinMate, we don't tweak those leads. The leads are delivered as it is. Right? These leads are given to you as it is. We don't call on those customer. So there is no time lag between customer applying and the lead delivery, right? Whereas in case of lead aggregation, they call customer, collect information and share. So there is a time lag also. Time lag means the lead is generated, let's say tomorrow, today at 11, in the morning, and they will be sharing the lead to you at around 3 in the evening, afternoon. So what will happen within that 4 hour might be possible that the customer will apply somewhere else, right? So generally we follow pull model. Pull model means there are two kind of sales. One is called the pull sale, one is called the push sale. In case of pull sale, the customer themselves will come and approach us for a loan. In case of push sale, we keep on asking, sir, do you need a loan? Do you need a loan? This is a push sale. For example, you must have seen insurance and all these products are push model, whereas this is a pull model of doing, right? And apart from that, we provide you a state of the art CRM to manage and track your leads. But in case of lead aggregators, the leads are delivered to you by SMS or by mail. So this is the difference between FinMate and other lead aggregator. So let's see how do we do it. So there are two platforms, as I said, common platform and exclusive platform. In common platform, if you want to generate the leads, those people who are interested to take only leads, okay, they can opt for the common platform process. You have to book a domain. We provide you with a complimentary website, which will become your digital address. And then we will link this website to a CRM. We generate lead from a common platform, and this generation of lead is managed by our in-house team. There is no agency fee that is charged. So if you want to generate for 10,000 rupees, you will get leads worth 10,000 rupees only. The other method is through exclusive platform. In exclusive platform, you need to provide us a domain, a hosting and an SSL. Once you provide all this to us, we will host a dynamic, responsive and transactional website. Then we will link our CRM with the website. We will make a Google AdWord campaign for you so that the customer who are visiting will visit your landing page. And once they visit your landing page and leave their name and number, it will get captured in your CRM. So you need to you need to log into your Google AdWord account and you start putting in money into your AdWord account as and when you want the leads, and the leads keep on coming to you. So this is through exclusive platform. So now let's understand the difference in a little bit monetary way. Okay, so if let's say it's common platform, so lead cost if you want to generate for mortgage leads, right? So home loan lead will generally cost between 200 to 250. Loan against property cost between 250 to 350 rupees, right? But the leads that you are getting, okay, let's say you are doing a 20,000 rupees of home loan marketing, you generate exclusive lead of 80 to 100 numbers, right? Assuming there is 5%, so the conversion is a little bit higher, but I'm still taking 5%. Assuming a 5% conversion and an average ticket size of 30 lakh rupees, you will convert 4 to 5 files of 30 lakh rupees. That means you will end up disbursement of 1.2 to 1.5 crore rupees of business. So 1.2 to 1.5 crore means if we consider 0.5 to 0.75% of payout, so you end up making approximately 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees of income. So which will be like you are spending 20, you are generating 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which is like 3 to 5 times of whatever you are spending. There is no sound model like this. If let's say you are putting in 1 lakh rupees over a period of 1 month and you are generating approximately 500 leads, that means you will definitely make approximately 3 lakhs to 5 lakh rupees of income. So this method is good if you have a small team of 2 to 3 telecaller and freelancers, okay, or you are a loan agent, then you can opt for this model. You just need to keep your, if your budget is less than 50,000 rupees, you opt for this thing. You have to only spend an initial expenditure of 700 rupees for the domain, 7 to 800 rupees, and 8,500 plus GST for the cost of the CRM and the complementary website for 1 year. So this is the fixed cost. So fixed cost will be approximately 10 and a half thousand rupees, which will be for 1 year. You can say 800 rupees per month. And then you need to fix an amount of either 25,000 or 30,000 rupees for marketing. You need to be consistent in your marketing approach because no business sustain without doing marketing. So if you keep on doing marketing of 25 to 30,000 rupees, it will ensure you a steady supply of leads throughout the month and you will see your business increasing. So whatever you are currently doing, you keep on doing that. You keep on doing the reference, you keep on doing cold calling, what is there. But if you are spending an additional 25,000, which is ensuring an additional income of 50, 70, 90,000 rupees for you, apart from the marketing, then I believe this is a sound, decent model for you to, attach to, right? And if you are a little bit bigger DSA, okay, if you have more than 5 telecallers, then you can opt for exclusive platform. You take everything, domain, hosting, SSL, okay, and then choose our product. We have different products. So here there is an example of 25,000 rupees. So in fact, you can opt for completely customized product as well, which will be cost as per the, customization charges. This will be fixed for 1 year. We don't take the renewal cost for the website. Website once delivered to you, it's your baby to take care of. We only charge you for the CRM, which is like 8,500 rupees plus GST every year, right? And we will market on your website. We will make the campaign for you. People will search. When they will search for anything, your company's name will appear, and when your company's name will appear, they will leave the name and number in your company's website, and this is how the lead will automatically get converted and captured into, not converted, it will get captured in your CRM, and you have a customer to talk to. So this is how you can generate leads through exclusive platform. So let's see the benefit of it. It's a hassle-free model. You need not have to do anything. Everything is, we have to do everything, we will be doing. It's a plug and play model. The first model is completely a plug and play model. Second model is also a plug and play model because in the second model we need to do a little bit of customization also. The third is marketing as per your convenience. Let's say you are going on a holiday, you want to pause the campaign, you tell us to pause the campaign, we will pause the campaign. If you want to pause your campaign, you can do it of your own also. There is no geographical restriction. You can generate lead pan India. No worry for quality prospect. You spend money and Google itself will throw the customers to you. Then it's cross-selling of credit card, feature is embedded in our CRM. You can cross-sell the credit card also if you want. You can refer out location file, no wastage of customer because we have more than 400 DSAs using it. So there might be some DSA in Bangalore, you are in, let's say, Delhi. Let's say you generate one customer in of Bangalore in Delhi. So you can refer that customer to someone in the south. Thereby you can make a good networking for your business as well. So this is how you can generate